In a recent development, a federal lawmaker, Ikenga Imo Ugochinyere, has called on the federal government of Nigeria to discontinue the trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, for peace to reign in the southeast of Nigeria. Against the backdrop of Kanu's prolonged detention, despite being granted bail by a reputable court of law, the urgency of this call becomes apparent. Kanu's continued incarceration serves as a focal point for grievances and tension within the region, making his release a critical step towards healing and reconciliation. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Tessie. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you all, depending on where you are watching from. Hope you all are doing well, and thank you so much for stopping by. And in this video, we will explore the significance of Kanu's release in the healing process and restoration of peace in Southeast region, while also considering the optimism surrounding the Tinubu's administration commitment to justice and fairness. Additionally, we will examine the appeal to President Tinubu to utilize constitutional provisions to dismiss Kanu's trial and create an atmosphere conducive to resolving outstanding issues and promoting unity in Nigeria. Please, before we continue, I want to beg you all to please help me by liking and sharing this video so that YouTube and Facebook can recommend it to more people. All right, the trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, has been a continuous and polarizing issue within Nigeria, particularly in the southeast region. Kanu was arrested and detained on charges related to his activism and calls for secession of Biafra from Nigeria. Despite being granted bail by a reputable court of law, Kanu has remained in detention, raising concerns about the rule of law and due process. His continued incarceration has fueled tensions and exacerbated existing grievances among his supporters within the southeastern part of Nigeria. The trial has garnered significant attention both domestically and internationally, with human rights organizations and advocacy groups calling for Kanu's release and expressing concerns about the fairness of the legal processes against him. The prolonged nature of the trial has further exacerbated the sense of injustice and deepened divisions within the region. Against this backdrop, Ikenga Imo Ugochinyere call for the discontinuation of Kanu's trial comes as a response to the perceived injustice and as a step forward to addressing the underlying grievances fueling unrest in the Southeast. Ikenga Imo Ugochinyere advocacy for the release of Nnamdi Kanu holds significant implications for peace building and reconciliation effort in the southeast region of Nigeria. Kanu, as the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB), represents a focal point for grievances and aspiration within the region. His continued detention, despite being granted bail, exacerbates tension and undermines effort to foster unity and understanding. By emphasizing the importance of Kanu's release in the healing process and restoration of peace, Ugochinyere highlights the symbolic significance of addressing injustice and grievances. According to Ugochinyere, Kanu's release would serve as a tangible demonstration of the government commitment to addressing the root causes of unrest and promoting inclusivity and dialogue. Moreover, Kanu's release has the potential to catalyze broader reconciliation effort within the Southeast. As a prominent figure in the region, Kanu's involvement in peace-building initiatives could help bridge divides and build trust between communities. His release could create an opportunity for dialogue and engagement, allowing for the resolution of underlying grievances and the promotion of greater understanding and cooperation. Ikenga Imo Ugochinyere optimism regarding Tinubu's administration commitment to justice and fairness serves as a beacon of hope for many Nigerians, particularly those in the southeast region. According to Ugochinyere, with the inauguration of a new administration, there is a sense of anticipation and expectation that President Tinubu will prioritize issues of national unity, reconciliation, and equal rights for all citizens. Ikenga Imo Ugochinyere appealed to President Tinubu carries significant weight in the quest for justice and reconciliation in Nigeria, particularly in the southeast region, by invoking constitutional provision and urging President Tinubu to discontinue the trial of Nnamdi Kanu. Ugochinyere emphasized the importance of upholding the rule of law and promoting equity and fairness for all citizens. The appeal is grounded in the belief that President Tinubu, as the leader of the nation, has the power and responsibility to address the grievances and foster reconciliation. Ugochinyere highlighted the constitutional provision of Section 174, which grants the president the authority to discontinue any criminal prosecution. By utilizing this power, President Tinubu can demonstrate his commitment to justice and fairness while also promoting peace and unity in Southeast. Furthermore, Ugochinyere emphasized the symbolic significance of discontinuing Kanu's trial. Kanu's release would serve as a tangible demonstration of the government's willingness to address grievances and promote reconciliation. It will signal a new era of inclusivity and dialogue, paving the way for greater understanding and cooperation among communities in the southeast. The appeal for the discontinuation of Kanu's trial and the broader effort towards reconciliation underscores the imperative of creating an atmosphere conducive for peace in the southeast region of Nigeria. Addressing the root causes of security challenges and fostering unity and understanding among communities are essential steps towards achieving lasting peace and stability. In essence, the discontinuation of Kanu's trial is not only a matter of legal proceedings, but also a critical step towards addressing long-standing grievances and promoting reconciliation in Nigeria. It is a testament to the government's commitment to justice and fairness, and also its willingness to listen to the concerns of its citizens. And I've said it before, if 313 suspected Boko Haram who were arrested, these ones are known terrorists, if they could be released by the same federal government, what is Nnamdi Kanu's offense? He told them the other day in the court that if they release him, they should give him just 2 minutes to end insecurity in the southeast. And he said that this insecurity is being fueled by some Nigerian politicians. And he said, who is that bagger that will disobey when he gives order? He said the reason why they are doing this thing is because they know that he is not around. So many people are taking advantage of that. The truth of the matter is that the Nigerian government, only them knows what they are afraid of, because if it is to release Nnamdi Kanu, it's not something that we take them anything to do, but they know exactly what they are doing. This is it for you all, my people. I saw the news and I decided to bring it for you all. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.